Join me as I take on the challenge of living a day in the life of a full-stack developer in 2025. Let's see what skills I need to keep up with this fast-changing tech world. As we dive into 2025, full-stack development continues to be a cornerstone of the tech industry, with companies seeking developers who can handle both front-end and back-end tasks. This role requires a unique blend of skills, from designing user interfaces to managing databases and everything in between. If you're curious about what it takes to be a full-stack developer in 2025, you're in the right place. We'll explore the challenges, essential skills, and the daily life of someone in this position. Being a full-stack developer isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is keeping up with the rapid pace of technological change. New frameworks, tools, and methodologies seem to emerge overnight, and staying current is a constant battle. From HTML and CSS to server-side languages like Python or Ruby, mastering it all takes time and dedication. Full-stack developers have to be jacks of all trades, which can be both a blessing and a curse. The ever-evolving tech landscape means that full-stack developers must be adaptable and eager to learn. For instance, front-end development has become more complex with the rise of sophisticated web applications requiring deep knowledge of JavaScript and frameworks like React or Angular. On the back end, understanding cloud services, cybersecurity, and database management is crucial. Moreover, full-stack developers need to be familiar with DevOps practices, ensuring smooth operation from development to deployment. Staying versatile and informed is key to success in this field. Looking ahead to 2025, some emerging technologies and tools are set to make a significant impact. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will likely play a bigger role in full-stack development, enhancing both front-end and back-end capabilities. Progressive web apps plus will continue to grow in popularity, providing users with app-like experiences directly in the browser. Full-stack developers will need to stay on top of these trends to remain competitive. In my own journey as a full-stack developer, there was a pivotal moment when I realized the true value of being able to work on all parts of a project. I was leading a team on a tight deadline to launch a new e-commerce site. We encountered a critical issue with the payment gateway integration, which required both front-end and back-end adjustments. Being able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue across multiple layers of the application was incredibly satisfying. It highlighted the importance of having a broad skill set and the ability to adapt under pressure. To wrap up, being a full-stack developer in 2025 is about embracing change, continually learning, and enjoying the variety that comes with working on all aspects of a project. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below.